Hello BCom students, welcome to online C class, video class. So today we are going to discuss regarding data types in C. Okay, so దీని తర్వాత ఇంకో టాపిక్ ఉంది. So we finish our first unit, data types in C. Okay, so we have primitive, derived, user defined. Before going for data types in C, okay, right, let us have a look of the program. Okay, for example, here I'm having four variables: integer, float, char. So int, float, char, these are the right reserve words. Okay, integer short form int, float floating point like 1.5 decimal point, decimal numbers, single characters, single a, single b, group of characters. So here I'm giving d of 5, same data type char, int, float, char. This is integer variable, this is float variable, this is character variable, this is string variable. Okay, and you could see integer kabatti format specifiers percentage d decimal integer, so print a value as integer, b value is 1.5, so percentage f, percentage d, percentage f, percentage c, percentage s. F for float point, floating point, float, decimal integer d, float, f, c, single character, s, string, group of characters. So once I said I will discuss format specifiers. So these are the format specifiers. Format specifier means what? While reading and printing the data, while reading and printing the data, right, we have to provide in which format data should be read and printed, displayed. Okay, in which format? Decimal format, decimal integer, float format. We have to print the value of, print a as integer, print b as float, print c as character, print d as string. Okay, so these are the variables, and int, float, char are the data types. So let us run the program. What will get the output? For example, so we are getting a value as 5, 1.500, single character a, hello. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ప్రోగ్రాంలో a is 5. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ టైం నుండి 5 స్పేస్ ఫ్లోట్ 1.5, సో 1.5 6 డెసిమల్ 5 తర్వాత ఆఫ్టర్ 5 we have 6 places, 1 2 3 total 6 places. నెక్స్ట్ a we finish, c single character a, d as hello, hello, hello. For example, hello is printed. Okay, hello, see hello. So same format is going to print up to your int, float, character, string. Okay, and you observe any program. Okay, so here we are asking a character name, here we are asking a variable name, here we are asking a variable var. Okay, so here user will give input. Okay, which kind of input user will give, or everywhere we require input. If you are going for ATM, okay, then ATM will ask for pin number, enter your pin number. When you are going for ration shop, enter your Aadhaar number. Okay, so what kind of the input may be? Input ఎన్ని రకాలుగా ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంటీజర్ టైప్, నో డెసిమల్ పార్ట్, 10, 100 like this. So input may be of integer or float. Float means height 126.5 centimeters, 5.1 inch, 5.2 inch. So integer means no decimal part, no dot. When dot number in our program 1.5, for example 1.5, so a is integer, 1.5 is float. Single a is a single character, d is a hello, group of characters. Okay, so like we have different type of input. Number, integer, float. Input may be of integer or float. Character type, text type. Text type means what? Name, father name, address name, college name. That will be of which type? Character without size, character with size. Name, for example, 45 characters length. The name may be of 45 characters length. Okay, so there are mainly 4 types of inputs: integer, float. So when program is inputted, when we are giving input number, Aadhaar number, mobile number, account number, name, father name, college name. So these inputs will be stored in variables. Okay, again I will show the program. So A, B, C, D are the variables here. Into float character, float char or the reserve words according to the previous topics. Okay, into float character the reserve words. So A5, B1.5, CA and hello. So these input variables, input values, A equal to 5 will be stored as integer, B will be stored with 1.5, C will be stored with small a single character, D will be stored as hello. So when input values are given, that will be stored in a location. How we will write in the notebook? How we will copy the data into the notebook? Variable values. So A, B, C, D are called here variables. Into float char are called data type. So to store the input values in variables. Okay, so 3 words I am saying. I repeat: data type, into float char, variables. A, B, C, D are the variables in this program. Values 5, 1.5a, and these are all inputs. These are all the inputs. I am giving some value input. So data type, input, variable. So input is going to be stored in C program as variables. So 3 words: input, arrow, variable, arrow, data type. Okay, which data type? A value is 5, input is 5. What is the variable value? A. What is the data type? It will be, it has to store A value as integer, not 5.1, not any other 1.5. B variable value should be stored as what? Float type, character type. So into float char, these are called into float char, and this is called string. Okay, that's what DFC, string, single character, float, integer. So these values must be stored. Okay, input values must be stored according to the data type. So into float char, these are called primitive data types or primary data types. What they are called? Integer or primitive data types. So input values మనం స్టోర్ చేయాలంటే మనకు డేటా టైప్స్ కంపల్సరీ కావాలి. సో ఇన్ సి డేటా టైప్స్ ఆర్ 3 types or 2 types: primitive data types, int, char, float, double. Okay, float కన్నా పెద్దది మళ్ళీ double. Okay, same long numbers of float type are stored in double, or long integers may be stored in double. Derived, so from primary we'll get array, group of integers, group of characters, array. Structure, union, these are called derived. User defined, enum pointer are called user defined. User ante manam, programmer defined data types. So array, structure, union, enum point. సో ఇక్కడ డెఫినేషన్ ఇచ్చాము. ఇంటీజర్ ప్రిమిటివ్లో మళ్ళీ ఏంటి? క్యారెక్టర్, యాజ్ సెడ్ సింగిల్ క్యారెక్టర్. ఇంటీజర్లో మళ్ళీ 3 ఫార్మాట్స్ ఉంటాయి: ఇంట్, షార్ట్ ఇంట్, లాంగ్ ఇంట్. ఫ్లోట్లో మళ్ళీ ఫ్లోట్, డబుల్, లాంగ్ డబుల్. వాయిడ్ డేటా టైప్. ఓకే, ఇంటీజర్ టైప్, యాజ్ ఐ సెడ్ ఇంటీజర్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ సైన్డ్, అన్సైన్డ్ అంటే ఏంటి? అన్సైన్డ్ వేరియబుల్ కెన్ హోల్డ్ 0 పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ అండ్ 0 అండ్ పాజిటివ్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, అన్సైన్డ్ అంటే, సైన్డ్ అంటే, సైన్డ్ మీన్స్ వాట్? నెగిటివ్, 0, పాజిటివ్. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అన్సైన్డ్ ఇంట్ విల్ స్టోర్ ఓన్లీ 0 ఆర్ పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్. See, there is no minus number here, 0 to 255. Okay, there is no other number, right? And here unsigned. Okay, signed long int, for example here signed, unsigned. Unsigned no negative, only 0 or positive. Unsigned negative, 0, positive we could store, but we don't use generally. We'll use all signed variables only in the program, but there is difference. See the note. Okay, so int long. So again, why three variations? Character lo char, single char, unsigned char, int, long int, short int. Okay, for example, some names are of 10 characters, some names are of 20 characters. Okay, so to don't want to waste the memory, then integer will be stored as int, highest memory, less memory. Like this we have the memories: short memory, less memory, int, high memory, long int, high memory. Okay, so let us go for the table here. For example, int will be given 2 bytes. Okay, short int will be given 1 byte. 1 byte means 8 bits, 8 zeros or 1 space is called byte. So int, again we have long int, short int. Okay, for integer type. Okay, so the range also will be different. For example, your variable is short int of signed, then what is the value you can store? Only minus 128 to 127. 128 cap, 128 positive cannot be stored here. Otherwise the 130 cannot be stored in a short int type of variable. Then you should go for int variable. Int variable ఎంత స్టోర్ చేయొచ్చు? 32,767. 33,000 the value for the variable input value, so that cannot be stored again in integer. So we should go for long int. Okay, long int can store 2 billion to -2 plus. So there is a variation, and these are called subtypes. Data types lo malli sub untai: integer, okay, short int, long int, okay, signed and unsigned. Float lo float, double, long double, 6 decimal, 9 decimal, 15 decimal, and the range will be very high. Void, empty data type, no data type is there, we could show to void. If any data type is not there, we could use for character, single character, group of character. Okay, so please go through the tables which are given below. Okay, next float ki 4 bytes memory, double 8 bytes. Byte means 1 bit, 8 bits, 8 zeros or ones పట్టే place ni oka byte anta. Character 1 byte of memory. And from right, we'll discuss more array structure in the coming chapters, but derived data types are that derived means which are extended from the primary నుంచి derived వస్తాయి, and user defined array structure unions. Only definition ఇచ్చాము ఇక్కడ. It's enough here. Data type means what? Just subtypes ఏంటివి. Okay, you can go with this one. Okay, there are primitive, non-primitive, or primitive, derived, user defined, int, character. Why these data types are required? To store the input values. And primary we have again signed, unsigned. Signed means okay, what do you mean by signed? Okay, unsigned only 0 and positive or positive numbers. Unsigned positive and negative can be stored. Positive negative అంటే మైనస్ వాల్యూస్, ప్లస్ వాల్యూస్ అంటే signed వేరియబుల్ తీసుకోవాలి. సైన్లో మళ్ళీ ఏంటి? signed int, signed short int, signed long int, unsigned int, unsigned short int. ఇవేంటి మళ్ళీ? these are subtypes in floating type. Floating means point values, 1.5, 2.5 like. So short int will have less memory, 1 byte memory. Int have 2 bytes memory. Okay, for example 128 can be stored in short int variable. If the input value is 130, 500 cannot be stored here. We should go for integer variable. Okay, 1 lakh cannot be stored in integer. 33,000 cannot be stored in integer. So we should go for long int declaration. Appudu em keywords vadali? Int, short int, long int. Okay, for example here I'll show again. So integer. Okay, so what is data type here? Int x. Short int you should use. Why? 2 keywords I'm using: int, short int. Long int you should use the variable long int. Long int. Okay, so here what is the variation? X లో 128 వరకు స్టోర్ చేయొచ్చు. షార్ట్ ఇంట్లో 32,000 ఓన్లీ. వైలో జెడ్లో 1 lakh, 2 lakh స్టోర్ చేయొచ్చు. Okay, so like this we have the variation in the data types. And again I'm reminding, so these are called format specifiers. ఎక్కడ format specifiers వచ్చాయి? percentage D, percentage F, percentage, these are called format specifiers. These are called format specifiers. Okay, I will list format space in the next topic. Okay, so today's topic is data types. There are data types. Data type will have two things. Okay, which kind of data you are going to save and which kind of right variable you are going to use, and memory also will be given by the compiler. Okay, so declaration, data types are declaration for variables. This determines the type and size and data associated with the variable. So ఎంత మెమరీ ఇవ్వాలి మై వేర్కి 2 bytes, షార్ట్ ఇంట్ 1 byte మెమరీ. ఓకే, సో దట్ దెర్ ఈస్ ఏ రేంజ్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వేరియబుల్. ఇక్కడ రేంజ్ కూడా ఉంది మీకు. దెర్ ఈస్ ఏ రైట్ సి int signed int or signed int or int will store okay 32,000. okay, so there is difference in the data input also, so we require subtypes to save the memory. So from primary we will have the secondary data types derived and use the different types. సో వీటి గురించి ఇంకా డీటెయిల్గా కమింగ్ చాప్టర్స్లో కమింగ్ యూనివర్స్లో నేర్చుకుంటాం. ఓకే, సో హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ యూ కెన్ పోస్ట్. రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.